Good afternoon, welcome to my Simplified Astronomy channel, where I'm going to try and simplify what seem to be difficult tasks, but in reality when you actually do the task they're not that difficult, but sometimes you just need a little visual nudge as to how to do them. In this video I'm going to show you how to control Windows automatic updates. Obviously there's been a few complaints recently on the internet forums, the Astro forums, about Windows 10 automatically applying updates right in the middle of an imaging session of a night time, which is not ideal. And there are a couple of ways of preventing this happening, with the first being a metered connection, setting your internet connection to a metered connection, which there's a couple of drawbacks. Number one, if you're using a laptop, for example, and you take that laptop off elsewhere and connect to a friend's Wi-Fi or a public Wi-Fi, you're all of a sudden going to have all these updates downloaded, unless you set every connection that you connect to a metered connection. So it's not ideal, and it also affects the native Windows active tiles and so on, the way they work. Arguably the correct way to control automatic updates, and that's not just stop them, that's control them, because if you're using Windows Defender you do need some updates, because the definitions are updated pretty much daily, so you do need them. And the way to do this is to use Windows 10 Professional, and in Windows 10 Professional we can control how the updates are applied through the group policy editor. So I'll show you how to do this. So obviously I use a Mac at home, but my observatory is remote, so I'll connect onto that now, where I'll run a Windows 10 machine. Now this is Windows 10 Professional, and I just get updates when I want them. So the updates are automatically downloaded, but I apply them when I want to apply them. Now the way I control that is to click into the search box down here and type in gpedit.msc, and this gets us to the group policy editor. Now we'll expand this because we are going to open up the tree a little bit. Now to get to the part that we want, we need to go into administrative templates, Windows components, all the way down to the bottom here you'll find Windows Update, and right in the middle of the table there you'll see configure automatic updates. Double click on that and this box will come up. Now by default this is not configured, which means you're just going to get all your automatic updates as you would with any standard Windows 10 machine. Disabled means you're going to get no updates. Now that really isn't ideal, particularly if you're using Windows Defender. Some people will argue, oh, I don't want any updates. Yeah, you can do that, but if you're using Windows Defender you do need the definition, and there are some updates which may be beneficial. I tend to use the system enabled but controlled, so there's 5 options that you can choose from. The option that I choose is option 3, which is auto download, so the updates are downloaded in the background, but notify for install. So what will happen when the updates come down, I'll get a little notification in the notification icon, and then I click on that and the updates will be here, and I choose whether to install or not. This is ideal really, because you can see when there are updates. You can choose to auto download and schedule the install, so you can choose a time to do it, so it will still auto download but it will install the update at a time to suit you, or you can notify for download and install, so it won't download them but it will send you a notification. That's probably ideal if you're using a connection where perhaps you get periods where you have free or unlimited data, or perhaps you're on a GSM connection, so that can be ideal. For normal use, auto download, notify for install is absolutely ideal. Once you've clicked on that, click apply, click OK, close down, and that's it. When there's an update that comes in, it will pop up on the box at the bottom. You then click on it to install the updates at a time that suits you without any imaging sessions being ruined. I hope this video has helped, and please feel free to subscribe. Many thanks. Bye.